This is how to add an applied I-cord edging to any piece of knitting. It produces a lovely tubular edge there. You start by casting on 3 stitches and then pick up one along the edge, so you've got 4 stitches. You then carry on the same way for all 4 stitches. So the yarn is there, you knit 2, knit 2 together through the back loop, and then pick up one along the edge under 2 loops of yarn. Slide your stitches back to the other end of your double pointed. You have to use double pointed for these. Knit 1, knit 2, knit 2 together through the back loop, and pick one up. That's all there is to it. This happens to be along the edge of my brioche sample for my workshop, but it can be anything.